Good morning children. Today in our this video we will continue our chapter 3, that is addition chapter, and today we will do 4-digit addition without regrouping and with regrouping. Okay, so I am taking here an example, 4-digit addition with regrouping. So here you may see two addends are there, 4286 and 3137. Here you have to add. Let's start addition from the ones column only. Here in the ones column we have digits 6 and 7. You add 6 and 7. So we are getting 6 plus 7, 13. Yes. So you write here 3 and carry over 1 in the tens column. Now we will add in the tens column. Digits are 1, 8 and 3. You add 1 10, 8 tens and 3 tens. What you are getting? 12 tens. So you write here 2 in the tens column and 1 we will carry over in the hundreds column. Now come under the hundreds column. We have 100 plus 200 plus 100. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4. So we will write here 4 under the hundreds column. As 4 is a 1-digit number, so no carry over under the thousands column. Okay. Now you add 4 thousands plus 3 thousands, that is 7 thousands. So our sum is 7423. Now let's start exercise children. Exercise 3.3, question number 1. Add the following without regrouping. Here I have taken question number A, F, I and L question. Let's start from the question number A. Here children we will add. Under the ones column, digits are 3 and 1. So 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 is 1-digit number. So no carry over under the tens column now. Now add under the tens column. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Again it is a single digit number. No carry over. Now add under the hundreds column. 7 plus 2, that is 9. Now under the thousands column we have 6 plus 3, that is 9. So our sum is 9924. Now let's move to the question number F. Under the ones column we have digits 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. Single digit number. You will not carry over. Now under the tens column we have digits 2 and 7. So 2 plus 7, 9. 9 is a single digit number. No carry over here. Now add under the hundreds column 6 and 0. So when we add any number with 0, we get the number itself only. So 6 plus 0 is 6. Now under the thousands column we have 7 and 2. 7 plus 2, that is 9. Our sum is 9694. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number I. In I number, again you start addition from the ones column. 8 plus 1, 9. No carry over under the tens column now, because 9 is a single digit number. Under the tens column we have digits 4 and 1. 4 plus 1, 5. No carry over. Under the hundreds column 0 and 5. So 0 plus 5, that is 5. Under the thousands column we have digits 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Now move to question number L. Under the ones column we have digits 6 and 3. Very good. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 is a single digit number. You will not carry over here under the tens column. Now add under the tens column we have digits 1 and 5. 1 plus 5, 6. Under the hundreds column 0 and 6. So 0 plus 6 is 6. Under the thousands column we have digits 4 and 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So here children, these sums are without regrouping because no need to carry over. Now we are coming to our question number 2. Add the following with regrouping. Okay. So I have again taken here questions A, D, question number F and H. Let's start from question number A. Here we will start from the ones column. Under the ones column we have digits 1 and 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. Very good. So 10 is a 2-digit number. So you write here 0 and 1 we will carry over under the tens column. Now under the tens column, children, we have digits 1 plus 9 plus 4. So when we add these two digits, what we are getting? 14. So you write here 4 and 1 carry over under the hundreds column. Under the hundreds column, we have digits 1, 7 and 6. So when you add, we are getting 14. So write here 4 and 1 carry over under the thousands column. Now under the thousands column, you add 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is 6. So our sum is 6440. Now again in question number D, we have to add these two numbers. These are 4-digit numbers now. Add from the ones column. Digits are 6 and 9. So 6 plus 9 is 15. Write here 5. 1 carry over under the tens column. Now you add 1 plus 4 plus 6. So we are getting 11. You write here 1 and this one you carry over under the hundreds column. Now under the hundreds column, children, again you add 1 plus 5 plus 8. What we are getting? 14. Yes. So write here 4 and 1 carry over here. Now again under the thousands column, you add 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4. So our sum is 4415. Move to question number F, children. Under the ones column again start addition 8 and 9. So what we are getting? 8 plus 9? Yes, 17 na. So you write here 7 and 1 carry over under the hundreds column. Now under the hundreds column again we have digits 1, 9 and 7. So 1 plus 9 plus 7, that is 17. Write your 7 here and 1 carry over under the hundreds column. Now you add under the hundreds column, children. What we are getting? 1 plus 6 plus 2, that is 9. 9 is a single digit number. So no carry over in the thousands column. Clear? Now under the thousands column we have digits only. What is it? 7 and 1. So 7 plus 1, that is 8. So we have sum 8977. Now question number 8, children. Under the ones column we have digits 8 and 9. 8 plus 9, 17. 7 carry over 1 under the tens column. Now you add digits under the tens column. So we will add 1 plus 3 plus 8, that is 12. Write your 2 here and 1 carry over under the hundreds column. Now under the hundreds column we have digits 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4. Now 4 is a single digit number now. So no carry over under the thousands column now. You add now only 4 and 1. So 4 plus 1 is your 5. So our sum is 5427. Now again 2 questions more I will take. Question number I and question number L. You see here there are 3 addends, children. The first addend is 692. Second addend is 4264. Third addend is 2095. So here you have to add these 3 addends. Start addition from the ones column only. So we have to add digits 2 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, what you are getting? 2 plus 4 plus 5? Yes, that is 11. So you write here 1 here and 1 carry over under the tens column. Now children, we will add these 4 digits now. 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9. You add on your fingers. What you are getting? Yes, 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9. Yes, you are getting what? 25. Very good. So you write here 5 here and 2 carried over under the hundreds column. Now children, you add here 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0. So what we are getting? We are getting here 10. So write here 0 here and 1 carried over under the thousands column. Now under the thousands column you add 1 plus 4 plus 2, that is 7. So our sum is 7051. Now last question, question number L. Here again you are getting there are 3 addends. First addend is 1675, second addend 6086 and third addend is 1201. Start addition from the ones column only. So you will add digits 5, 6 and 1. 5 plus 6 plus 1. What you are getting? Yes, we are getting 12. So you write here 2. Carry over 1 here under the tens column. Now children, we move to our question number L. In L number question, here again we have 3 addends, 1675, second addend 6086, third addend 1201. So here we will start addition from the ones column only. Digits are 5, 6 and 1. So you add 5 plus 6 plus 1, that is, yes, 12. So you write here 2 and carry over 1 under the tens column. Now under the tens column you will add 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 0. So these 4 digits you add, children. What you are getting? 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 0? Yes, 16. So you write here 6. Carry over 1 under the hundreds column. Now under the hundreds column you add these 4 digits. 1 plus 6 plus 0 plus 2. That is 9. 9 is a single digit number. So no carry over under the thousands column. Under the thousands column, 1 plus 6 plus 1. So 1 plus 6 plus 1, that is 8. So our sum is 8962. Clear? I hope you understand, children. Now it's time for home assignment. Your home assignment is solve exercise 3.3. In question number 1, you will solve question number D, H, J and K. In question number 2, you will solve C number, G, J and K in your notebook and solve other questions in the book only. And second thing, children, you will practice chapter 2, that is Roman numerals, for the second class test. I will declare the date in the next video. Thank you, children. Have a nice day and take care.